Namaskar everybody. Namaskar. Which day is today?
Friday.
Friday. Today's date is Friday.
2012.
Day is Friday.
Date
Date is 2080. Jestha 12. Right? And we celebrated Sulabh's birthday today. Right? The children of Anupam, they are celebrating their friend's birthday. That's very great. And was there cake cutting ceremony or not?
Yes.
Already?
Yes.
See, you are doing well, doing very happy. So it is a memorable time, right? But in the name of cutting cake, don't waste more time. Okay? So today, what are we going to discuss? First of all, we are discussing about this one box. It is called dissection box. What is it? Dissection box. Dissection means to cut something and observe inner part, and it contains many things. Here are these slides also: permanent slide, temporary slide. Temporary slide, it is for making or observing new things, and permanent slide, which is already kept here. Here is given Euglena protista. What is this? Protista. Right? And what is here? But they have kept all indicators also here. People are not sincere, right? So class 10 captain and vice captain, your duty is to maintain this. Where to keep in proper place. And here are some devices. Here are clips also. What are here? Clips. See? It is very soft, right? So it is applied or applicable while doing other experiments as well. Very dropper. Here is scissor. Here are the forceps. And here are some, what do you say, cutting items also. Razors. Better fit. You have seen that, no? Barber cutting. But it is not cutting for your diary and jumma going, but it is for some girls they have got jumma also. Not seen some girls doing it? That's why they go to beauty parlor and remove that jumma. If they start saving, they become, isn't it? Yeah? Who? What is it? Yeah, he's saying, why are you laughing? Yeah. His duty is laughing. Yeah. Now we are standing in comedy champion with Arya. Right? Okay, so it's the duty of Mointa. Which Mointa, right Mointa? Yeah, they come and maintain it. Very good. Okay, in today's class, we are discussing about one system present in our body. Can you hear me? Hello? We are studying third chapter. Third chapter completed. Fourth chapter we are studying, right? What is the first chapter? Scientific learning. Second chapter. Third chapter. Okay. We are in fourth chapter. Heredity. In heredity we have discussed about mitosis, meiosis, and today we will begin chromosomes. Chromosomes. After some time there will be next chapter heredity, next chapter, and then we will be discussing about blood circulatory system in our body, right? Blood circulation is given. Circulation means movement. Circulate. Go from one place to another, again reach in the same place. The blood circulation in our body is closed. What is that? Closed. That's right. Blood flows through some pipes. What do you call those pipes? Blood vessels. Blood vessels, blood, and the heart. These three make one system. What is it called? Circulatory system. They have got their own role. What is the role of heart? What does the heart do? To pump the blood. Always it is busy. Even if we are sleeping, resting, talking, blood is not doing other activity, just pumping the blood. Collecting, pumping, collecting, pumping, collecting, pumping. Collects also, pumps out also. Isn't it? And what does the blood do? Its duty is to move throughout the body. Sometimes it reaches in our leg, sometimes it reaches in our head, isn't it? Keeps on flowing through closed vessels. Those vessels are called blood vessels. What are the three types of blood vessels? Do you know the three types of blood vessels? Arteries, veins, and capillaries. How fast they are covered? It was discussed in health also.
No, we haven't read it.
Class 8 not studied? Then, in class 8 it was there. Don't say, sir, 2 years nearly passed. Whatever you read, if you start forgetting, then what will you learn? Sir, I read for exam, now I don't want to remember. Some children have to like that. Why to remember? What is in first topic? Do you know? Not at all. You must know yourself. So in today's class, at first I am going to describe about the heart. This is okay, brand new heart, right? We have bought it. It is the model of heart. Don't say that this is human heart. Model only, but no human has got this much big heart. I think some might have also. Some persons are very big, right? Their fist is okay. Actually, this is made up of. How is it made up of? This is made up of. Let's not take out. So once we'll observe and again cover it. It will be long lasting, right? Generally, what do? We take out the cover and then it becomes dirty also. And sometimes they may drop down and its life comes to the end, right? This is the prototype of human heart. Prototype of human heart. Here is given some main points. Here are given some numbers. I will just show you. Here is given number 1. What is here?
Number 1.
Number 1. What is here?
Number 2.
Number 2. What is here? Number 3.
Number. No.
Then here is 5. Here is 6. Here is 4. Here is 9. Number here? 9. Here is 10. Minimum 10 different parts are there. Minimum 10 different parts are there in our human heart. Okay? One you have to keep in mind, human heart is made up of cardiac muscle. Which muscle? There are 3 types of muscle. What are they? Skeletal muscle or voluntary muscle, non-voluntary muscle or smooth muscle, and cardiac muscle. So cardiac muscle is found only in our heart. Its structure is similar to skeletal muscle, but function is like smooth muscle. Can we control the function of it? But the muscle is very strong. Okay, do you know what are the different parts of human heart? Especially there are some blood vessels, some chambers, blood vessels, and we can see the heart from outside only. So next week it's better to do experiment on heart. Don't forget to bring how many heart? 2 hearts. Goat heart. It will be easy also, right? 2 goat hearts must be brought. So we will just observe through our naked eyes and by cutting it. Okay? You can see number 1, what is given? Ventricle. Lower part is called ventricle. Upper part is called auricle. Upper part of the heart is called auricle, lower part is ventricle. Part means this chamber. 1 room, 2 room, 3 room, 4 rooms are there. How many rooms are there? 4 rooms. It means which lies in right side, that is called right. Left hand side, left. Right auricle, right ventricle, left auricle, left ventricle. Like this number 2 is given. Hello, can you hear me? This is right auricle. This down is right ventricle. Left auricle, left ventricle. Right side, upper one is right auricle. Lower is right ventricle. Left side upper is left auricle. Lower is left ventricle. So inside there is cavity, hollow cavity, but always it is filled with blood. Okay? The heart must contain blood all the time. But some blood comes in, some blood goes out. Number 2 is right auricle, down is ventricle. Next one is number 3. Number 3 is left auricle. This is left auricle. The right auricle, what is it? Left auricle. This down one is left ventricle. Aorta, here is given aorta number is 4. Where is point number 4? Where is the mark 4? Here is 4. This is the largest blood vessel. What is it? Largest blood vessel, because it has to carry out more amount of blood, right? And number 9. Number 9 is superior vena cava. What is this? Superior vena cava means it brings impure blood, deoxygenated blood from upper part to heart. Aorta carries the blood away from the heart. Superior vena cava brings impure blood, deoxygenated blood from upper part of the body to right auricle. This is right auricle. Number 6, pulmonary artery. What is here? Pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery carries deoxygenated blood from heart to lung. Why should the impure blood be sent to lungs? What is the purpose? For purification, to provide oxygen. To provide oxygen. Here number 5. 5 is pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery is here. The next one is pulmonary vein. Pulmonary vein carries blood from lungs to heart. Pulmonary artery carries blood from heart to lungs. Heart to lungs, lungs to heart. And that way you have to remember. Tricuspid valve. Where is number 8? Number 8 is given tricuspid valve, but I think it is not shown here. Valve means, what is valve? Do you know? What is my valve? Valve means one checkpoint from which blood goes in one direction only. From which blood goes in one direction. Here are 4 chambers, right? Upper chamber, lower chamber. In between upper chamber and lower chamber, there are some checkpoints. From that checkpoint, blood goes one direction only. Upper chamber to lower chamber. It doesn't go from lower chamber to upper chamber. So those checkpoints are called valves. In the heart, there are altogether 4 valves. How many? What are those 4 valves? Do you know? What are the 4 valves? Tricuspid valve, bicuspid valve, aortic valve, pulmonic valve. How many valves did I say? What are they? Tricuspid valve, bicuspid valve, pulmonic valve, aortic valve. Tricuspid valve and bicuspid valve, they lie between auricles and ventricles, and pulmonic and aortic between blood vessels and pars. What can we see here? Here is given heart and circulation. Here 2 different colors can be seen, right? Is your blue color?
Yeah.
Is your red color?
Yeah.
Blue color means deoxygenated blood. Blue color means? Red color means oxygenated blood. Or pure blood. Pure blood means contains more amount of oxygen. Impure blood contains less amount of oxygen. There is a little bit more carbon dioxide. See, our heart lies here. Here is heart. Inside of heart there are two parts, two lungs, right lung and left lung. So lungs are responsible for purifying the blood. Lungs are responsible for purifying the blood means they make impure blood into pure blood by the help of oxygen. By the help of oxygen. And 50% of heart contains impure blood, 50% contains pure blood. That impure blood is sent to lungs and pure blood is sent to different parts of body. We are able to survive because of blood circulation. So, blood circulates from heart to different parts of the body. Blood circulates from heart to lungs. So, there are two types of circulation. How many types? What are they? Pulmonary circulation and systemic circulation. What are they? Pulmonary circulation and systemic circulation. Pulmonary circulation from heart to lungs, lungs to heart. Very simple. Blood goes from heart to lungs, again comes back to heart. What is that? Pulmonary circulation. Systemic circulation. Blood goes from heart to different parts of the body. Again, blood comes to heart. That is called systemic circulation. So, which circulation covers more area? Pulmonary circulation or systemic circulation? Pulmonary goes from heart to lungs, lungs to heart only. Less area. Systemic or systematic from heart to different parts of the body except lungs and different parts of the body to heart. That covers wide area. Right? More area. But remember, blood flows in all parts of the body. If the body part does not get blood, it becomes dead. It will die. Even if the person is suffering from paralysis, there is blood circulation in the body. If body, why you are looking in the mirror and then thinking that, huh? Get it? Studying in class 10 and looks in mirror and just acts white. That's why she remains like baby every time. Name also baby. Yesterday I had gone to one shop. Yeah. For those small children, I have found one item.
Pacifier.
What is it called?
Pacifier.
Pacifier, yes. Small baby item is there, blue color icon.
That
They just put in mouth.
Pacifier.
That is pacifier, good. And what is it called? You know? 30 rupees. That will be given gift, remember. You take that and stay in one place for a long time. Yeah, okay. In her body, that is suitable, good. Name baby. Looking here and there, acting.
God and it's all.
Looking here. And here, you are looking at it. Yeah.
Looking in mirror.
Yeah, I think. Yeah. Father is there.
Yes, sir.
Yes, why not? See?
But you
Not that. No, sir, no, sir. People, they just. No, they do not appreciate immediately. Is that the case, baby? Yes, yes. Remember, okay. So, we say blood vessels. Blood vessels also contain, see, there is a hollow structure at the center. Why hollow structure? Through it, blood must flow. You know, and also, sometimes the blood vessels become a little bit swollen. Yes? But is that artery or vein? That is vein. Artery we cannot see. Capillaries we cannot see. But veins are sometimes visible And if the person is very old, there are thicker veins, right? And the blood also seems blue in color, right? But blood is never blue in color. One is a bit dark red, other another is not white. How blood will be white? Blood is red in color. Why? Because due to hemoglobin. When hemoglobin reacts with oxygen, it becomes oxyhemoglobin, and oxyhemoglobine's color is red. Oh yes, very good question. Why cockroach has white blood? Do you know the answer? There is no hemoglobin. There is no. Okay. And there are some diseases connected to our blood circulation or our heart, like hypertension. Have you heard? Next one, hypertension is also called high blood pressure. High blood pressure. And next one is there low blood pressure also. If the heart pumps very quickly, high blood pressure. Slowly, that is low blood pressure. Next, uric acid also you have to learn. What is that? Uric acid. Okay, so that will be discussed after completion of present topic. So please be prepared, be focused, and learn. What type of works you will be in future, we don't know. That's why you find out your interest. Okay, thank you.